Welcome back, students. In this example, we would be studying about greatest common factor for polynomials. Okay, so in other words, how are we going to be using GCF for polynomials? So, question: use GCF to factor, say, 24x positive 18x squared. So you have something like this. Now, step number one, what you got to do is write the prime factor for 24. So that would be 6 times 4. 6 can be rewritten as 2 times 3 times 4 is rewritten as 2 times 2. 18 is rewritten as 9 times 2 followed by 3 times 3 times 2. Now the GCF, pick up the GCF for 24 and 80. That can be done by grouping the elements. So we got 1 3 there, so place a 3 for that, and we got 1 2 there, so place a 2 for that. So that's going to be 6. Now 24x positive 18x squared, the GCF factoring would be 6 followed by find out that variable which has the least degree, the smallest degree, and its features throughout. Say for example, you got x here, the degree of x is 1 here, but the degree of x is 2 here, so that cannot be placed here. So x can be placed. So what number should I place here so that that number multiplied with 6 would give me 24? That would be 4. So 4 multiplied with 6x would give me 24x. Followed by the sign between the numbers is plus. Now you need to find out that number which when multiplied with 6x would give me 18x squared. So clearly 3 multiplied with 6 would give me 18, but I need to get a square term there. That's possible by placing x there. So therefore the greatest common factor for or of 24x positive 18x squared is 6x times 4 positive 3x. Welcome back, students. So we have another question. Find the GCF of 28x raised to the power 5 negative 42x raised to the power 7. We have to use the GCF factoring for the polynomial. So foremost, write the prime factors for 28. So I start off by multiplying it as 7 times 4, which is 7 times 2 times 2, followed by 42. 42 is going to be 6 times 7. So I rewrite it as 7 times 6. I would be rewriting it as 2 times 3. It doesn't matter how you place these numbers, but finally ensure that you're ordering. You follow one set of ordering. Either you place the largest number in the front position, followed by the smallest numbers, or the other way around. So for me, I have placed the 7 here, so it's easy for me to do the grouping. So if I were to group, I would have 1 7 featuring as my GCF, followed by the grouping of the number 2. So that would be 7 times 2, which is 14. So the GCF of 28 and 42 is going to be 14. So coming to the question wants me to obtain the GCF factoring for the polynomial placed in front of you. So now I need to do some simple mathematical evaluation. I'm going to be writing using this part of the board. So I've got 28x raised to the power 5 negative 42x raised to the power 7. The GCF is 14, place 14 there. Now choose the x with the smallest degree. In this case it's going to be x power 5, which also is seen occurring here The only thing is that the degree of x is 7 here, so naturally x raised to the power 7 can accommodate x raised to the power 5. So the smallest degree is x raised to the power 5. Open the parenthesis. What number should I place here which multiplied with 14 would give me 28? Obviously 2. So follow it up with the sign between the terms. It's going to be negative. So the next number that I should place so that when multiplied with 14 would give me 42 is going to be 3 times, right? 3 times 4 is 12 and 3 times 1 is 3. Adding up 1 would give me 4. That's 42. But the degree is 7 here. So that would mean I need to place at x squared here. So the final answer, the GCF factoring for the polynomial is going to be 14x raised to the power 5, opening the parenthesis, following it up with 2 negative 3 times x squared. So this is the solution for the question.